In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade out a MIDI track in Cubase. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have a MIDI track in here. As you can see, I have this one over here called MIDI sample. So this is the one I'm going to be using for now, and we're going to fade it out. Now, you'll notice that whenever you go and click on it, and if you try to go to audio and then fades, you can't actually add any fade outs. And that's why we're going to use a different method, which allows you to add a fade out even to MIDI tracks, even if they're not audio tracks. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the very left over here of your of course track. So I have this MIDI track, go to the left and then click on this arrow down button to show or hide automation. Now when you do this, it's going to show you kind of all the sub tracks. In here, we have this automation track. So what you first want to do, now by default, usually it's going to automatically show this volume automation over here. But if it doesn't, just go and click on here and then click on a volume. If it doesn't show this line, you want to right click and then click on show automation or show volume automation. As you can see here, for me, it says remove volume automation, which means it's currently showing. If it says show, click on it and it's going to show the volume automation. Now, once you've done this, you want to then go and of course select this line tool up top, so just click on it, and then from here you want to add a line where you want your fade out to begin. Okay, so if I actually do it like this over here, you'll see there's going to be a few points where I can put my fade out. So what I'm going to do is actually put it over here. If it doesn't let you, if it kind of starts hopping around, hold down your control key for precise seeking and then just click like that. So whenever you do this, I'm actually going to put it over here. Now you actually want to click down here at this bottom part. So of course it actually happens, because if you don't click in there, it's not going to do anything. So as you can see here in the back, it actually put me on the left. So make sure you click on in here. And there we go. Whenever you do this, whenever you click in this section, it's going to kind of add this part over here, which you can see is kind of the volume automation. And now all you have to do, if I go and select this object selection again, you want to go and just drag this down over here. So this square should be dragged down to the bottom. And as you can see, this is now a fade out. So here the volume is going to start fading out. Okay, that's essentially all you have to know, and that's how to do this. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.